Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. In this part of TypeScript, we will talk about unknown type. So first of all, we will discuss what is unknown type and as a theoretical part. After that, I will tell you what is the difference between any and unknown type because in interviews, it can be asked that what is the difference or similarity between unknown and any because they are pretty similar but not exactly similar. Sometimes there is some difference, so we will discuss all these kind of things also, and then we will discuss what is the exactly use of unknown type, and at the last we will explore some interview questions. So let's start with the first point. What is unknown type? So let's say you have a variable with the name of data, and you are not sure that what kind of value can be assigned to this variable, because maybe value is coming from API or coming from other functions or might be coming from other pages. So if you are not sure, then that time you can assign to a unknown type to that variable, right? And after that, if value is coming like string or numeric or boolean, they can be assigned to it. So here you might be just thinking that wait, this is a very similar to the any type because the all kind of things we can do with the any also, but there is some difference. So let's go with the example and understand the unknown type, how we can define it, and how this is different from any, right? So here I have a file with the name of unknown.ts, and let me take a let with the name of data, and I am not sure that what kind of value can be assigned to it. So I am just putting here uh, any first so that I can show you the difference, right? And now to data, let's assign uh, some number. So let me just assign here 30, and after some time, after some compilation, maybe data just have some string value, right? And here you can see that we don't have any error at all, everything is working fine. So if I am just doing here unknown, still everything is same, right? Because with the unknown we can also assign any kind of value. So if you are a very beginner in the TypeScript, then you may have a question that what kind of error you are talking about. We just have 3 lines in that, how we can just get error. So if I am just assigning here string, then you can see that there is an error with the red line, right? The number is cannot assign to the string. So if I am just assigning here unknown or any, in both of cases there is no error, right? That means both are working very similar, but there is a difference now. So let's say I have another variable item, right? And its type of string, right? So now what I can do here, I want to assign data to item, and it can be easily assigned in case of any. If I'm just putting here any, it can be easily assigned here. Reason being, any actually switch off the feature of TypeScript for data. You can assign any kind of value to the data like string, numeric, boolean, and one more thing, you can also assign this data to the item also, right? And there is a very high possibilities that might be data don't have any string value. Maybe there is we have a boolean value like this, right? Still this is working fine because item is just accepting only string value, but in our data there is no string value at all, right? In that cases still we can assign the value to the item of data. Actually this is not a good practice, right? Because we want to assign only string types of value to the item, but this functionality can be achieved with the unknown type. Here you can see that this is a real power come for TypeScript to the unknown. If I am just going to assign now unknown type to the string, then it will give error that you cannot assign unknown type to the string because uh, data is not sure that what kind of value it have. It maybe it have numeric, it have boolean, or maybe it have string, but still this is not sure, right? And here you can see that, just give me a moment. and here you can see that item is very sure that it should only be string value. So this is the case that where is actually unknown working very uh, perfect way, but any will not gonna work, right? So this is the actual use of unknown also. And one more question if you have, so what actually happen if we have data have string value, that how we can assign to it? That time you can just make a condition if type of data triple equal to string. That time we can just assign here uh, data to the string and it will work fine, right? And if we are just going to assign with the any other checking, let's say with the number and all, that time it will give the error. It will work with the only string because item have the string type. So that's all for unknown type. If you still have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can get all these video code in my GitHub account. Link will be provided in the description box soon. Thank you so much.